In a deep, quiet forest in Africa lived many animals. Among them was an okapi, gentle, calm, and very wise. With zebra-like legs and a long neck, the okapi looked special. He always helped other animals without asking for anything. Not far from him lived a hyena. This hyena was greedy. He always laughed loudly and took food from others. "I want more, more, more," he would say. "Why share when I can have it all?" One hot day, the forest became dry. The wind blew strong, and suddenly a fire broke out. Flames spread fast. Animals screamed and ran in every direction. The hyena ran too, but only for himself. He grabbed food and left others behind, but the okapi stayed calm. He guided the smaller animals. "Follow me," he said gently. "I know a secret path near the river." He led the way, slow but safe. Many animals followed, even though they were scared. The fire roared behind them, but the okapi didn't stop. Meanwhile, the greedy hyena ran into a dead end. He was trapped. Flames surrounded him. "Help! Somebody help me!" he cried. Then he saw a shadow. It was the okapi. He had come back for him. "Climb up this rock," said the okapi, "and follow the river path. You'll be safe." The hyena was shocked. "You came back? Even after how greedy I was?" The okapi smiled. "In the forest, we look out for each other." The hyena followed and made it to safety. From that day on, the hyena changed. He shared food, helped others, and laughed kindly.
Did you like the story? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Storybox. And click the bell icon to hear more magic